lay my edges and all that. Just keep watching. I'm gonna give y'all the tea how I did those little curls in my hair and whatnot. Keep watching, okay? Enjoy. Bye. Alright guys, I'm here back with another video trying to show you guys how I curl and twist my hair. So I kind of sound sick, so right now what I'm doing is I'm taking off to see my edges. They wasn't all that laid, so I was like, nah, we not doing that. These are the gels I use. I love that gel. And I've been trying something else too, the Eco Sign gel. Forgot the name, but I'm sure it down below. But those are the two gels I mix with to do my hair. I feel like they lay my edges real good. It don't matter what gel, whatever gel it helps. So what you're gonna need is a toothbrush, your fingers, and any type of gel, but I prefer those gel for my hair to do the twists and all that. So yeah, so let's begin. So as you guys can see, I did that yesterday, and my hair is already wet, but if you need some water, then you might need that as well. So what am I doing is I'm doing my edges because I didn't like how they came out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using the olive oil gel to lay those baby. I'm not really good at edges, you guys, so don't come at me. I mean, I'm still, ooh, yes, I'm still learning how to do this edges shit. So yeah, but I feel like I'm good. I just need more, more work, but it's okay. So that's what I'm doing. You need a toothbrush or edges gel brush or whatever, but that's what I'm doing. So what I'm doing, I'm retying it. I use like one of these old stockings or whatever, and yeah, and I just put it on my head to lay down my edges. I feel like the scarf kind of like, I don't know, I don't have a lot of hair, so I just do it on one certain spot, so that's what I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna show you guys how I do my little secret to those little twist outs, or curls, you guys, whatever you guys want to call it. So what I do is I use my fingers and all I do is twist. That's it. They might curl back, but whatever, my hair, it has different type of moves. I need a comb. I use a comb as well if I want to part it and make them small, but I usually just go with it. I'm touching them up because yesterday I did it and it came out so nice. If you guys have me on like Snapchat or Insta, you guys could have seen that. My information will be down and below. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm using my fingers and I'm literally just twisting my hair. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Like taking the gel, I'm taking any gel, I mix my gels and I'm literally twisting my hair and that's all I'm doing. So by the way, you guys, my hair, it's been a month. It's about to be 2 months since I did the big chop. And it's growing real pretty, real nice. I like how it's coming out. So I'm still trying out some new ways how to form my hair and how to, I'm just still getting used to how to, make it look nice and whatever. But that's it. So now I'm doing my makeup. That's all. This is gonna be fast. I don't know what else. I'm doing my eyebrows. Yes. The same way I did my eyebrows in my other videos, it's the same way I still do it. I use concealer on the bottom and the top and foundation. That's it. I didn't do a full face. I just did my eyebrows and my mascara. That's all I did because I wasn't going nowhere and I was just doing a video for you guys. You know how that goes. So I'm finning in. I still use the same color till today. I used the LA Pro Girl in Toffee, the color Toffee, and the foundation is LA Girl as well. Let me see if I can tell you guys real quick what I use. Rich Coco. I pick it out and I was like, maybe that's my color, and it looks good. You guys see that? it fills in real nice. And then I take a blush and wait, we're not up to that. Then hold up, let me do my thing. Still putting foundation. I only put a little bit of foundation because yeah, I'm not doing my full face as I said. So yeah, I take a blush and then that's it. I don't get to do, like, if it's like if I'm going out, then yeah. And I'm filling it in a little bit more with the same thing I used in my last video for my eyebrow tutorial. GO Brow. I need to go get me another one because that one is so messed up. And the mascara I'm using is probably some beauty supply mascara. As I said, I wasn't gonna go all out for you guys, and yeah. So there goes the edges. Look at me, laid. It looks good. It looks good. I'm happy. I hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.
I think you're truly something special. I think you're truly